In this video, we'll show you how to clean your tea maker. You'll need our tea maker cleaner to properly clean your tea maker. Let's begin by first filling the kettle with 1500 milliliters of water. Press the hot water button to begin boiling. The tea maker will begin to boil, so we're just going to fast forward through this. And once that completes, it's time for the tea cleaner. Open the tea cleaner packet and pour it into the previously boiled water. And remember to reinstall the lid. Press the basket button, then select any function for tea that gives you 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to use black tea. Then press the tea button to begin. And once the tea cycle completes, the basket will begin to lower. Allow the basket to lower and raise itself until the cycle completes and a beep is heard. Never submerge the kettle or the base into water, as this will cause permanent damage. After rinsing out the parts, it's now time to dry everything up and put everything back together. It's also a good idea to pat down the bottom of the kettle a bit, just in case any water ended up there. Now let's set our kettle on top of the base. Take our basket and insert the lid on top of it, and then insert it onto the kettle. And finally place the lid on top of the kettle. And now your kettle is clean and ready to be used.